Hello class 11. Today I am going to start with this chapter number 16, digestion and absorption. In previous video we studied about in this chapter type of digestion, type of nutrition, what is nutrition. Now today I am going to start with example of digestion in human digestive system as an example, that is human digestive system as an example of the mammalian digestive system. Now today I am going to start with this human digestive system. Okay, as you know, human digestive system start with the mouth. Okay, mouth, alimentary canal and associated gland we discussed in earlier in previous video. Now today I am start with this directly with this alimentary canal. Alimentary canal. Okay, first one. The second one is associated gland. Alimentary canal is a long tube about 8 to 10 meters. 8 to 10 meters and in length, in varying in diameter, and it include the following structure. First one start with this mouth, or also called here as a buccal cavity. Mouth को हम क्या कहते हैं? buccal और oral cavity. Buccal और oral cavity. Buccal और oral cavity. The mouth is a transverse slit-like aperture bounded by two soft movable lips. It is bounded by a lips, and inside the buccal cavity, tongue and teeth are present, and teeth are arranged in two rows. ठीक है, lips होता है, tongue होती है, okay, and teeth arranged in two rows. And second one is now first we start with this tongue. Okay, tongue, as you know it is a thick musculosensory organ. Musculosensory organ. It is a thick muscular sensory organ present in the floor of the buccal cavity. Where it is present? On the floor of buccal cavity. Okay, and the posterior part of the tongue is attached to the floor of the buccal cavity by the soft ligamentous cord Sartorius frenulum. It is attached with this frenulum. Okay, it is attached with this frenulum. The surface of the tongue is covered by the mucous membrane lined by a stratified squamous epithelium. Okay, now next one is a teeth. As you know, adult human being has 16 teeth in each jaw, in two rows, upper row and lower row, and each row contains 16 teeth. So now total number 16 and 16, 32. Okay, embedded in a socket, that is thecodont. जो teeth होता है human का, वो कैसा होता है? thecodont means embedded in a जैसे जो हमारे gums के अंदर की तरह डीपली इनसाइड सिचुएटेड होता है, दैट इज द थीकोडोंट कंडीशन होती है. ओके, these teeth are four different types of, as you know, their structure as function. Heterodont, they appear twice in the lifetime, and diphodont. Okay, heterodont क्या होते हैं? जो कहते हैं ना मिल्क टीथ, दैट इज हेट्रोडोंट. ठीक है, लाइफ में कितनी बार आते हैं? ओके, एंड दे अपीयर ट्वाइस इन द लाइफ टाइम, दैट इज डाइफोडोंट. जो लाइफ साइकिल में दो बार आते हैं, दैट इज डाइफोडोंट. द फर्स्ट टीथ आर कॉल्ड द मिल्क टीथ एंड डेसिडुअस टीथ, एंड दे आर रिप्लेस्ड बाय द परमानेंट टीथ और डेसिडुअस टीथ. ओके, which last for year, which last for years. In adult human being, the dental formula is 2 1 2 3 upon 2 1 2 3. Total 2 1 molar, premolar, canine and all. ठीक है, and incisor. Okay, half of the jaw from the middle and backward are the two incisor, two canines, two incisor, two canine, two premolar and three molars. Two incisor होते हैं, एक canine होता है, two premolars होते हैं और three molars होते हैं. Okay, canines are dagger shape and pass for the food, and premolars and molars are broad, strong in crushing teeth. The primary function of the teeth is to grasp and hold the food in the mouth cavity. Okay, what is the primary function of this teeth? To grasp the food in and hold the food in the mouth cavity. They are also modified to serve as grinding mill or chewing the food. Okay, now next one is esophagus. After mouth contain basically two parts, tongue and teeth. Now second part of this alimentary canal, this is esophagus or oesophagus. Oesophagus. Okay, is about 22 to 25 centimeter long. Narrow muscular and tubular structure. It runs downward through the neck behind the trachea and opens in the stomach. In the abdomen, the swallowed food is propelled towards the stomach through the esophagus by the movement of its muscular wall. A muscular sphincter, that is gastroesophageal, regulate the opening of esophagus into the stomach. Now third one, that is stomach. Okay, stomach is a large muscular and somewhat J-shaped structure. It is a J-shaped structure. J-shaped structure or J-shaped sac-like structure. It occupies the left side of the upper part of the abdominal cavity. The upper part of the abdominal of the stomach is called the cardium or fundus. ठीक है, ऐसा सा शेप होता है इसका. तो अपर पार्ट को हम क्या बोलते हैं? कार्डियक और फंडस and the second part cardiac end and the two ends. Okay, and the second part middle dome shaped part, the body, and the distal part is the pyloric or antrum. Okay, the stomach, thus two end body of the stomach. Okay, this one is the body, that is called corpus. This is called corpus or body of the stomach, or pyloric sphincter. This is called pylorus. Okay. Now the next one is small intestine. Small intestine. As you know, small intestine is the longest part of the alimentary canal, about 6 meter in length. Okay, is about 6 meter in length and 6 meter in length and in length it is narrow and tubular and occupies the central and the lower part of the abdominal cavity. Divided into the three regions. First one is duodenum. Second one is jejunum, and third one is ileum. Okay, and large intestine. Fifth part is a large intestine and it contains also 3 parts: cecum, second part colon, and third one is rectum. Okay, cecum, colon and rectum.